Hey guys, I'm Sam with McRea Shop, and I wanted to take a minute to introduce myself to you and tell you a bit about what I'm going to be doing, or what actually I've already done. So you probably see this Talon behind me, and it's got a lot of different upgrades, and what gave me the idea about that is I installed several different upgrades to this Honda Pioneer right here. So I installed the roof, the plexiglass windshield, the winch, wheels and tires, mirrors, the rear case, and that got me thinking. I decided that I wanted to do something similar. I was so happy with the Honda product. I'm not trying to be a salesman here at all, but just something that I've had for years, and I haven't had any issues with this. So I decided that I wanted the Honda Talon. Now, when it came to actually getting the Honda Talon, supposedly there's going to be one available in a couple of months, and that was like back in June. And come August, it still wasn't available. So I ended up making a long trip to, well, a long ways away, like 5 hours away. And I brought this back on a trailer, and everything fit perfectly. But while I was waiting, I ended up buying a bunch of different stuff for it, and it was literally taking up space in my shop, and it was just bugging me every single day. So anyways, now I have installed a lot of different accessories, and I made videos about every single one of them, and I did a good job, because I don't know, in a lot of ways I feel like I put more love into it than people would have if I took it to the shop to have stuff installed, and you'll be able to see those on the video. So I would say probably the most challenging portion of all of it was the wiring, but I know that everything is done pristine, and that's really the niche that I'm trying to go for. So if you guys are interested in seeing stuff done in a pristine manner, then I would encourage you to watch the videos. They're going to be broken down, and you can check them out.